Musamseleku says Makumalo she likes to gossip about other wives. Makumalo says Mayeni is delusional. Makumalo was trying to fix their relationship with Mayeni. Why Mayeni didn't attend Makumalo's wedding? Mayeni attend Macele's wedding and Makumalo attend Mayeni's wedding. But why Mayeni she is doing all of those things? Mayeni didn't discuss anything makes sense to Makumalo. But Makumalo says Mayeni says something delusional. Yes, Makumalo was right. But Musamseleku was blaming Makumalo. Why he didn't blame Mayeni for what she said? Even Musamseleku, he can look with Mayeni. He knows that he can't plan things with Mayeni. It became successful when it comes to Mayeni. Musamseleku know all those things. But he was blaming Makumalo that Makumalo says Mayeni is delusional because she was trying to fix their relationship. Musamseleku was the one who was complaining that his wives are not united. I want my family to be together. And those wives now they are discussing about each other. Why Mayeni didn't attend my wedding? It's a crime. Why Makumalo say about those things? Musamseleku want Makumalo to do something for those wives. But when it comes to his wives, Mayeni and Macele, to do something for Makumalo, they can't do it. But you know that Musamseleku was using Makumalo, what I saw. It's very painful for Makumalo. That's why Makumalo respond to Musamseleku. She was very angry that day. And even me, I was very angry to hear Musamseleku was talking to Makumalo in such a way. Musamseleku was supposed to sit down, even not to say in rush, after being insulted with Mayeni, and says Mayeni didn't attend the meeting because Makumalo, you are the one who you say Mayeni is delusional. Makumalo, you like to gossip too much about other wives. That's why Makumalo have to stop attend the meeting with Musamseleku's wives. What I saw, because sometimes it looks like maybe they are fighting again, but Musamseleku was the one who says I need my family to be united. Musamseleku have to understand that he is the one who have got polygamy. Those wives, they don't have polygamy. They have got their own families. So if he doesn't want Makumalo to talk about Mayeni, they have to separate. He can discuss with each and everyone if you want his marriage to work, because those people, they will never get along. Even another wife, she put her effort to get along, but nothing can happen. And Musamseleku says Makumalo have to apologize about what she said. Mayeni is delusional to Mayeni's parents. Imagine. That's why Makumalo said, I'm not crazy. I'm not going to apologize. Makumalo was right. Because when you are, I don't understand sometimes Msamselek when it comes to Makumalo. Or maybe he can look that for all other wives, he saw Makumalo, that Makumalo was buying presents, everything for other wives, like she is desperate to have him. No, Makumalo, now is the right time to show Musamseleku that she is not desperate to have him. Guys, I don't hate Musamseleku because on other side I take his side, but at this on Makumalo, guys, what I saw for other wives, guys, to Makumalo, Musamseleku doesn't like Makumalo, because all the time, even he can't humiliate my Macele or Mangwabe like in such a way. Musamseleku says Mangwabe didn't say anything. Makumalo, when she says Mayeni is delusional, she was talking to you, to who? Makumalo, she was talking alone. Makumalo was discussing it about Mangwabe. You understand? Was discussed about that issue with Mangwabe. Mangwabe was the one who started asking Makumalo that how did you go with Mayeni about your, because Makumalo told Mangwabe that she wants to meet Mayeni and talk to Mayeni. Like Mangwabe asked Macele why you didn't attend Makumalo's wedding. And those two, the two of them, Macele and Mayeni, they didn't give a solid reason or some of the facts. Even Macele, the reason what she gave Mangwabe, it doesn't make any sense sometimes. You understand? So even Mayeni, she doesn't explain anything to Makhumalo. So they don't want to fix with Yet. They leave Makhumalo now. People, they stop judging Makhumalo about what she is doing.